Okay, question 4, a Venn diagram question. I like this question. Some of you obviously didn't. Okay, right. So they give us all of this stuff, and they say we have to find x, y, and z, and they give us some parameters or constraints. It tells us that B and C are mutually exclusive, and A and C are independent. So we start off with our first bit of information. B and C are mutually exclusive. They can't both happen together. You cannot have B and C happening together. Okay, because of that, the overlap here must be 0. We can't have anything in this overlap between B and C because they can't happen together. So in which case we can start off with a basic thing, x equals 0. Okay, 1 mark for that. Let's get rid of that x and replace it with 0. Okay. Then we've got a couple of things we can do to find y and z. It's not going to be as straightforward as that one. It's going to get a little bit more complicated. We say, well, we know that all of the probabilities must add up to 1. So we get 0.10 plus 0.30 plus 0.39 plus 0.06 plus y plus z equals 1. And if we work it out and take everything away, we get y plus z equals 0.15. Get a mark for that. Okay. Then let's take the independent thing into account. If they're independent, the probability of A times the probability of C is the probability of A intersects C, the overlap. Okay, so probability of A is that, probability of C is that, and probability of A intersects C is that, which is just said, which is nice. So we get 0.1 plus y plus z in that bracket, it's probability of A, times by the probability of C, which is 0.39 plus z, equal to the overlap between the two, which is z plus 0, so that's z. Okay. Some people went a bit overboard. They managed to get this far, and they managed to write amazing simultaneous equations which went round in circles and didn't really go anywhere. Okay, we know that y plus z is 0.15, so just replace the whole of that y plus z with 0.15. So we get 0.25 times 0.39 plus z equals z. I'm going to go up here to solve it. So 0.25 is a quarter, so the obvious way to get rid of a quarter is times by 4. So we get 0.39 plus z equals 4z. So take away z, 3z equals 0.39, z equals 0.13. And then if we take away z from 0.15, we get y, which is 0.02. Okay, hope that all makes sense.